years of planning, we finally made it to paradise, El Nido Palawan. Join us on this 5-day adventure filled with beaches, lagoons, sunsets, and unforgettable memories. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the vlog! Lucky to get a Cebu Pacific seat sail. Just a 1.5-hour direct flight from Manila to El Nido.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Forget of all your sorrows.
Hi guys!
Hi guys.
Dito na kami sa Lio Beach and
Walking.
time check 6:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
So yan, wala pa gaanong tao ngayon. Pero pupunta tayo din.
Yeah, nandun na yung dalawa.
Yan sila mama. Picture din tayo dyan sa ano bang port din yata ito ng Lio. Lumang port ba to?
May nagja-jogging too.
Ayun no, may nagja-jogging. Siguro ano yan dito, accommodation. So,
Nilapag muna namin dun. Walang katao-tao.
iniwan namin yung luggage namin di sa may mga upuan.
Free naman siya guys.
Kasi yung ano natin,
Check in.
lunch pa, 1. After lunch, sa BonBob. Then pa yun sa may bandang malapit sa El Nido proper. So, una muna natin to kasi maaga pa naman bago tayo mag-check-in. So, picture muna kami.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la.
After lunch, we rode another tricycle, going to El Nido town proper. We ended our first day with a sunset walk at El Nido Beach and dinner at Jhannas Grill.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
Day 2 was all about island hopping, Tour A. Thanks to KLOOK, booking was super easy using our code MARKANDANNKLOOK.
Okay, so now welcome to first stop. So this is the outside part of Big Lagoon. The Big Lagoon is part of Mini Loop Island. Alright, ma'am, sir. So you want to explore the Big Lagoon, so you want to do rin kayak here. Alright? Okay, ma'am, sir. One kayak for two is 300. So we have the bigger one for 3 passenger, but the pressure wet, 350. Alright, ma'am, sir. Life jacket, but so this is mandatory in the Big Lagoon. Okay, so
You say you don't need me, but I'm the only one you call whenever you're lost. You say you got somewhere to be, but you've been here since yesterday.
Insured na daw yun.
Natin kayo.
Mine's doing all the talking.
sir, dito, sunod na po kayo.
West your heart.
Umikot lang pala tayo, no?
Ikot lang, walang tayo. So this is the outside part of Secret Lagoon. Okay, so the Secret Lagoon here in the top. Alright, so from here everyone, you're ready to swim and walk. So we need your slippery, sinilasi, and sapatusi. Alright, and life jacket, ma'am sir, for not good swimmer. And bring your cell phone. Okay, ma'am sir, let's go.
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that I think about. You know you got me going.
So only activities in Island on the beach. Okay ma'am, so we need your slipper or shoes, ha? Ano kayo mag-life jacket, mababaw.
Okay, so welcome to our fourth destination. That's snorkeling area. Okay, so sir, for those not good swimmer, don't forget like this. Okay.
I see a light in your eyes. I follow you so damn foolishly. You'd be the sweetest goodbye. Give me a heart trip exclusively. Take one step.
Good afternoon everyone. So now, so this second to the last. Second to Mandy Beach. The last one is Nido Town.
Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that I think about. You know you got me going wild. And what I want is you. Could you come a little closer? I want you by my side. And I'll try the best I can to make you feel this way. Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I, and I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms.
The last one, Nido Town.
Ay, tapos na?
Happy hour. Alright, ma'am sir, everybody happy?
Yes!
Everybody enjoy?
Yes!
Alright, so thank you very much for holding doors. So you must enjoy. From KLOOK and Jhannas Travel Tours, so I would like to thank you. Of course, thank you very much to our group. Thank you. Right?
2 days down, but the adventure doesn't stop here. Next up, we take on zip lines, sunsets, and hidden view decks. See you in episode 2.